Hi guys, this is Andrew Mukasa. I'm really delighted I meet my senior, my colleague, such a hardworking person. I'm here at ROR right now, and I want to aim to clarify. There is a trending question actually confusing a lot of people. It is about black-white ratios. So they confuse it. The people from the side of commercial and the other people from the side of specialty. So Sulaiman, please clarify that and let us conclude it.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Mukasa, for having me here. I really appreciate the introduction. I'm just a humble guy who is searching for knowledge. Yeah. But regarding that, based on my experience, flat white has been a very popular drink that many people appreciate it. And personally, I've worked with around 10 coffee shops. And in 10 coffee shops, at least 5 coffee shops, they were making the same way. I mean, in terms of standard, which I will elaborate as we are moving, and about 5 coffee shops, they are doing it differently, whether specialty or commercial. First, let's see what is specialty and what is commercial, to be on the same page. Specialty is highest grade of coffee, so typically it's the ingredient that is used in coffee. Yeah. So if you are using coffee that has scored 80 points and above, whether you are making espresso, whether you are making V60, whether you are making Kalita, whatever drink you are making, as long as you are using the coffee that is highly graded, 80 points and above, then we will consider that drink as a specialty coffee drink. Yeah, following other fundamentals requirements while you are brewing. Yeah. Now let's dive into the flat white argument. So basically, flat white is made of there is 2 types of ratio here. There's ratio of water to coffee that you are going to make the base of espresso, which normally, personally, I prefer 1:1.5, meaning this is for the espresso. Let's say 20 grams of coffee, you are going to pull out 30 ml of water, like the mixture between coffee and water, like the espresso liquid will be 30 ml. That will be a bit concentrated because on an espresso you want to feel, on a flat white, sorry, you want to make sure you are feeling the coffee and the water and the milk balance, or coffee little bit dominance. Yeah. In that case, 30 ml or ratio 1:1.5, for me, I feel like the coffee is really concentrated enough to mix with the coffee. Yeah, with the milk. Now let's talk about the cup size, because this is also another point. Cup size, I prefer flat white. Based on the company that I've worked, the standard flat white cup was around 6 ounce cup to 7 ounce cup. Some people use 5, but 6 to 7 is ideal cup size for a flat white. Many coffee shops, they are using that. Remember, there is standard of particular coffee and standard of what person prefers. Now, based on many coffees that I've visited, 6 ounce to 7 ounce cup is served flat white. Now, ratio to water to coffee, espresso to milk, around 113 to 120 ml of steamed milk. You dilute it or you pour it over a 30 ml or 40 ml of espresso. So you can see that is around 120 of milk and 30 to 40 ml of espresso. That is around 150 quantity. So 150 is around 6 to 5 ounce cup. Like this one here. I'll just give an example. This is a 250 ml cup, so it's a little bit big. We have a small one that we're using around that. Yeah. So 6 to 7 ounce cup, I think that is ideal cup size for a flat white, whether commercial or specialty. Customer wants to test the coffee. That specialty or commercial is in our heads, but the customer goal is to get a balanced cup that will taste better, that will make the customer come back again. It's a little bit long because the topic is also very long, but I think
so I think guys, you shouldn't compromise anything now. He has concluded this. Thank you so much, Mr. Sulaiman. I'm very grateful. Thanks for always inviting us and welcoming us.
You're most welcome. Feel home. I also love what you're doing, trying to help the coffee community. Yeah, learning and taking things from far all to the table. Yeah, you're doing great. Really great.
Guys, thank you so much. Bye.
Yeah. I talk too much.